Okay, area, so area of a circle, so it gives me the answer. Then the area of a circle is pi r squared. Pi, we're going to take as 3.14. So I substitute what I know into this formula. The area is 26, so A is 26. Pi is 3.14, and r I don't know, so that's times r squared. So it's like an equation. Now then I want to find what the radius is. So the first opposite I do, I'm timesing by 3.14. So the opposite of that is divided by 3.14. So on the calculator, use the fraction button, 26 on top, 3.14 on the bottom, press equals, SD, and r squared is 8.280254. And it goes on, that's r squared. So to find r, I square root that answer. So on the calculator, square root ans. There's the value of r. 2.8775438184, and they're asking me for an appropriate degree of accuracy. Well, when I put the values in, pi was 2 decimal places, so I'll give my answer to 2 decimal places there. So r, that's 7 after the decimal point is more than 5, after the dotted line, sorry, is more than 5, so that's 7 increases to an 8, so that's 2.88 centimeters. Part B, the volume of a squared base cuboid. Now a cuboid is a box, and we know the volume of that is length times width times height. Now then, this is a special shaped cuboid because the bottom of the base is square, so that means the length and the width are both the same value. So substitute in what I know the formula, then the volume is 180, so V is 180. Both the length and the width are the same, so I'll call them L times L. And the height is 5. So that's 180 equals L times L is L squared times 5. Opposite of times in by 5 is divided by 5. So calculate the 184 over 5 is 36. So L squared is 36. So L is the square root of 36. So square root 36 is 6. Okay, now then if you prefer, you can also go to that line there, and you can start trying values on your calculator if you like. Say I have a guess at L, say being 3, and you could type out 3 times 5 equals 45. It's obviously not big enough, so go bigger with your 3. 4 times 4 times 5, 80. Still not big enough because I want to make 180. Go to 5 times 5 times 5. Still not big enough. Then 6 times 6 times 5. And then you can get there if you're prepared to try the values on the calculator.